Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step-to-step tutorial on how to sign up for a Guri account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL bar, type in guri.me and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of Guri. To sign up for a new account, click the sign up button at the top right. In order to create an account, you need to provide some of your information. In the first text box, enter the email address that you have a complete access to, and then create a password for your account on the next field. You can double check your password just to make sure by clicking on this little eye icon. Now, enter a nickname for yourself and type in your first name in the first name text box. Select your country from the drop down. Click on this little box where it says I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. After you are done with it, click on create account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Guri. Make sure to go ahead and open up your email inbox that you registered with and verify your email address to finish off your sign up. That is how you'll be able to sign up for a Guri account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.